Hello and welcome to another episode of Selling Life and Annuities. I'm Paul Bechtold, RVP of Debt Elimination Platforms at Gordon Marketing. And with me today we have a very special guest, one of the rising stars, one of our associate marketers, Aaron Holman, who has been doing a fantastic job with Gordon Marketing. And what we want to talk today about is getting life insurance while you're young. So Aaron, let's kind of kick it off. First of all, I want to say welcome to Gordon Marketing. You've done an outstanding job with us so far. I really see you engaging with our agents, and you seem to really enjoy your job.
Yeah, absolutely. And firstly, I want to thank you, Paul, for having me on. And definitely, I would agree on that point 100%. I love this job, being able to connect with agents, not just on a business level, but on more a personal level too, getting to know some of their stories. It's really special, and so I do appreciate the opportunity here.
Well, we appreciate that as well. You've done an outstanding job. But one of the things we've gotten you involved in lately, Aaron, is reaching out to agents and talking about, adding life insurance as part of their business as well. You want to add something to that as well, please?
Yeah, so I mean, calling on a few of these campaigns as of late, it's been mainly life insurance stuff, and coming from a background of not really insurance, it's been interesting to learn all the ins and outs of it that I didn't know beforehand. So
great. Well, let's do this something a little bit different here. Let's relate it to how life insurance would fit in your life as a young person. Okay, so.
Right.
Obviously, probably life insurance is not top of mind for you. I haven't really thought much about it until you came to Gordon Marketing. Would that be a fair statement?
100%, yeah. I haven't, before even starting here, I've heard of life insurance. When it comes to mine, it's who really needs it at my age. We're more interested in going out and having fun. And so, yeah, definitely not a super high priority, it seems like, at this age.
Probably one of those is you're not probably planning on dying anytime soon. Right?
No, not me. So,
and is it a fair assessment to say that most people, just coming in as a novice, both a client and a marketer perspective, most people, would you say, think of life insurance as, okay, I buy life insurance, I pay premiums, I die, somebody else gets the money.
100%, yeah. Up until starting here, that's what I thought life insurance was. You pay on a policy, and then when you pass away, your beneficiary gets a sum of money. I didn't realize there were so many different avenues you could take it.
Okay, so what are some of the things that you've learned then since you've been engaging with the life insurance team, Troy Culver, myself, Jim Paris, and all that? What things have you learned the life insurance can do beyond a death benefit? Please?
So, besides a death benefit, yeah, I found out you can, you can leverage it for retirement, for mortgage protection, for... those are just some of the things just off the top of my head. But the list goes on and on. Debt elimination. I didn't realize, there was so much to it. I just figured, it was that death benefit initially. So
okay, so one of the aspects, Aaron, of buying life insurance while you're young, one of the advantages is there's a saying in life insurance world is that it'll never be cheaper than it is today, right?
Right.
Because you're not going to get any younger as you go through life, right? So right. Life insurance is always cheapest when you're young. It's also the easiest to qualify from a health perspective, right?
Yeah.
You're young, you're fit, you're probably not taking any medications, and you don't foresee being sick anytime in the near future, right?
Correct.
So we got to get it while the insurance companies are able to make an offer to us. I like to say that we're all on our way one day to not being offered, getting an offer from a life insurance company. Okay, so that's a great reason. But let's talk about some of the life events that could happen to you where life insurance starts to fit in, right? So. Got a girlfriend, right?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay, so obviously, maybe one day the thought of marriage might make sense, right?
It's coming up. It's coming up, here soon, probably.
Okay, right behind that is usually having kids, right?
Of course.
Okay, starting a family. Okay, you have to have a house to live in, right? So we might want to buy a house one day.
Of course.
Right. And with that comes along the possibility of taking on a lot of debt, a lot of responsibility, all those kinds of things. So. Right. There's another saying in life insurance industry is that you buy life insurance because you either owe somebody or you love somebody or both, right?
Right.
Okay. So do you see how there's life events possibly right around the corner that are possibilities that aren't here yet that, boy, you're sure going to wish you have some life insurance when those come along.
100%.
Right. So let's talk about the cost over time, because would you agree that a lot of people don't buy life insurance because they think, well, I'll just save all those premiums and I'll buy it later when I really kind of need it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And the best part of starting when you're young is we can get permanent insurance for when we die, and unfortunately we're all going to die one day, right? Not for if we die and throw all those premiums away over time into term insurance that's going to expire before we do, right? Okay. And then if we incorporate all the debt elimination, the retirement savings, the mortgage protection, all the other things, we're just kind of getting the death benefit thrown in along the way.
Yeah.
You know, but getting a whole host of other financial benefits back, as well as all the premiums we paid into that policy. Right. So that would interest you a lot more, right?
Yeah, 100%. I'd say at this point, looking for that cash accumulation value would be more attractive to, a person my age compared to just that death benefit. Yeah.
Well, the thing I like to commend you on the most is I think you're doing an excellent job reaching out to our agent base and educating them about these various aspects, right? And so, Aaron, if somebody was watching this video and they wanted to learn more and they wanted to tap into your insights and connect with you so that you could help them position us with their clients, how would they go about doing that?
Absolutely. So, a good way to reach me is, Gordon Marketing's phone number. I'm extension 116. And then another good way to reach me is my email address, which is aholman@gordonmarketing.com.
And as I said, I'm Paul Bechtold, RVP at Debt Elimination Programs. I can be reached at 317-626-3054 or paul@gordonmarketing.com. I can assure you I'm a 24/7 guy, as I know Aaron is as well. We would love to help you. But, Aaron, we could go on and talk ad nauseum about this subject for a long time. Let's save it for future episodes and to help our agents and clients both to learn more. And in the meantime, we're going to bring this episode to a close. Before we do that, though, be sure to subscribe to Selling Life and Annuities so you're apprised of future episodes when they come along. Click the notification bell so you're made aware of when a new episode comes out. Like, comment, and share with both other fellow agents and advisors as well as your client. But on behalf of Aaron Holman, thank you for joining us today, Aaron. I'm Paul Bechtold, and we're saying happy selling.